my name is Jamie Plack. I am the Health and Wellbeing Specialist here at the library. Today we're going to be talking about some useful stretches for what we call desk workers, or people that sit at their computers a lot, which is a lot of us. As we sit all day, we tend to get tight in certain areas and looser in other areas, and this causes muscle imbalances, which are not good. Hopefully, after today's activity, we can walk away and hopefully incorporate these stretches throughout our day. First and foremost, for every stretch, we want to engage our core just to make sure everything's straight in line. Okay, our first stretch today is to address what we call tech neck, which is the overextension of our neck. It's a very simple stretch. We're going to take our opposite hand to the opposite side of the head, and we're going to pull our head, breathing through, trying to inch closer at every breath. We should feel a stretch right through here and down through our traps. So you want to hold this about, depending upon your level of comfortability, 10 to 30 seconds on one side. Come back to normal, engage our core again, and breathe through. Stretch this side, also for 10 to 30 seconds. Stretch number 2 is going to focus on our back, our lower back, what everyone refers to as their lats. Our lats tend to get tight from sitting all day, so it's important that we incorporate a stretch. We're going to take our right hand, tighten our core, and bring it across our body. Breathe through just like you do with your neck. Try to inch closer while keeping core stability. Again, 10 to 30 seconds. Bring it back, reset, tighten our core, and breathe through. Again, 10 to 30 seconds on this side as well. For our third stretch, an area that gets really tight when we are on our computers all day is our pecs from around the back. So what we want to do is, again, embrace our core, bring our hands around the back with our thumbs facing our back to open up the chest and bring the chest open wide. And add a chin stretch in here. Lift your chin up to the sky, you should feel it in your neck. Hold this for 10 to 30 seconds. Breathe through. And good. Okay, now that we've done our 3 upper body stretches, we're going to move to our 3 lower body stretches. So first and foremost, we want to address our hips. Tight hips are a chronic issue for a lot of desk workers because we're sitting all day and they're tightening up, right? I want to show you 2 stretches. One's going to be from a sitting position, and one's going to be from a lunging position that you can still do in your chair. So for this first one, it's going to be a classic knee hug. So we're going to lengthen our opposite leg and then tuck our knee in, knee back. Hold that for 10 to 30 seconds. Breathe through. Good. Go back to a sitting position. Now standing on the other one, extend our opposite leg and hug back, 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 chest up. And good. A little bit more advanced version, we're going to do a quick lunge. Okay, so what we're going to do is slide over to one side of our chair with our glute still on the chair, and we're going to drop our knee back into a lunge position like this. Right, so we're still supported, we're tight. We should feel that stretch all the way from our hip flexors down through our quads. Hold that for 10 to 30 seconds. Good, come back neutral. Now we're going to go to the other side. So now our opposite glute is on the chair. We're going to drop the other leg down. Good. Nice lunge position, core tight. Again, you should feel this stretch right through here. Our next stretch is what we call seated pigeon. So what we're going to do, our feet are parallel. We're going to bring this foot up across our knee, right? And all we're going to do, right, everything should be again parallel. We're going to lean forward. Again, addressing the hips and our gluteus medius or glute med. Right, you should feel that stretch all the way through there. 10 to 30 seconds. And good. Come back to neutral. Right, now we're going to do the other one. Again, foot over the knee. Everything's parallel. And bend forward. Again, and I should feel that stretch back through here. And good. I hope you've learned something today. These are stretches that most of us can do. Hopefully you can incorporate these stretches throughout your workday and you feel a difference and improve your quality of life. Thank you for being with us today.